May 26, 2024. Today is Captain Emily birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Turn a feet.
Let's go down and I'm all alone. All the fears come out just as the unknown.
Are you ready? Cousin, family, and friends, greetings.
Co-owner VRO Room, Mr. Jim.
Hello, mommy. Many happy returns of the day to you from my side. Stay happy, stay blessed, and thank you for always guiding us in CFF. And thank you for always being with us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Boss and co-captain, Baby Chai.
Hello, happy birthday sa aming captain na si Emily Espanyol Derry. Happy birthday, Mommy Emily. Wish you all the best. More blessings to come, more birthdays to come, always in good health, and iwas sa stress. And we love you always. Happy lang po, Mommy, always. And I'm so proud of you, Mommy. And, lalab ka namin lagi, kahit hindi man ako lagi nagpupunta ng Star Maker, Mommy. Pero I love you so much. And, more win and more box to open. Happy birthday. I love you so much, Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy Emily. Mwah, love you.
Boss and co-captain, Keisha.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Last one na naman tayo ng edad. At lalo gumaganda ang Mommy namin. Enjoy your day, Mi. And mahal na mahal ka namin. Ingat ka palagi. And sana magkita ulit tayo. Ano pa ba? Ingatan mo yung health mo. Mahal ka namin. Happy birthday, Mommy. Love you.
Boss, co-captain, and official CF host, Maria.
Ayan, happy birthday, Mommy! Ayan, bumata ka na naman ngayon. happy birthday sa nag-iisa naming at napaka-loving, caring, at syempre topakin. Gaya naming lahat na Mami Emily. Syempre, gusto namin masaya ka ngayong birthday mo kasi kami ay isa sa pinaka nagpapasalamat na isinyalang ka sa mundong ito. Laking tuwa ng magulang mo. And then, syempre, I'm very thankful na God had sent a person like you dito sa earth dahil sobrang laki ng puso mo, hindi po dede. Laki ng puso mo and napaka-loving mo sa amin. Isa kang ina sa lahat, hindi lang sa kadugo mo pero sa lahat ng mga. Ayan na putol yung isang video kasi 1 minute lang daw. Ayan na nga, napaka-loving at saka napaka-generous mo po sa lahat. And kaya eto kaming lahat we are giving our best para mapasaya ka po namin sa inyong kaarawan, sa iyong special day. Lagi mo pong tatandaan na mahal ka namin, especially namin ni Toshi. And forever, I will be your baby Maria, kahit mukha na akong matanda. And syempre walang iwanan, andito lang po hanggang tumanda po kayo kahit wala ng Star Maker. Asahan nyo po na I will always be your baby Maria. Happy birthday, Mami, at sana maging masaya ka dahil marami kaming pasabog ngayong birthday mo. Hindi lang yung kilikili powers. Ayan, at pinutol na naman kasi 1 minute lang. Happy birthday, Mami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mommy Emily. Mwah. Love you. Enjoy your birthday. Walang grumpy.
Co-captain, Okarab.
Hello Kap, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Magpapa-open box na yan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, Kap.
Co-captain, Kuya J.
Hi! Hello po! Hello, Ate Emily. Happy birthday po. Ayan, so medyo late na ako nag-send ng greetings. But, you know, I've managed to still send a simple greetings for you. So, stay happy, beautiful, and healthy. So, love from your family, your friends, and most of all, CFF family and friends. And enjoy your day. And, ayan, happy birthday.
Co-captain, Mayette.
Hi, hello, Captain Emily, ang mami ng CFF. Ayan po, it is your birthday today and we wish you all the best in life. Sana po maligaya ka ngayon sa special day mo and nandito po kami para suportahan ka. Moral support, financial support, ang dami mo na niyan and hindi mo na yung kailangan galing sa amin. Pero kahit ganon, ramdam namin yung suporta mo po sa amin. Nagpapasalamat po kami kasi po hindi lang bilang member ng CFF, kundi you consider us as your friends, as your family talaga. Ramdam po namin yung support mo. So, for me, I am thanking you for your friendship. Captain, nagkita na po tayo once and sana magkita pa tayo ulit po. Yan po. More blessings, good health, and more beritan, and more winnings po sa mga programs and tasks ng Star Maker. So, ang open box queen ng Star Maker, yan po si Captain Emily. So, God bless po, Captain, and mabuhay ka po sa more years to come. And we pray for a blissful birthdays ahead of you. So, sana po maging maganda yung kalusugan mo para humaba pang buhay and palaging masaya sa Star Maker and then po sa totoong buhay, yung family mo po. And marami po kami nagmamahal sa iyo. Once more, happy birthday, Captain Emily.
Me and
Hi, Captain. Okay, it's your day today. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Always be happy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah, I love you and I miss you. Thank you so much for being supportive to us. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Chong.
Hello, what's up? Ate, happy birthday once again. I miss you. Love you all guys. CFF. Ate. Happy birthday. Sorry if hindi ako nakakapasok. You know. But still, andito lang ako, ate. I love you. Happy birthday and long life and happiness always. God bless you. I love you. Bye. Love you all. CFF. Thank you.
Mr. Malvaney.
Hi everyone and hi Emily. Would you know that every year that is added to one's life is a blessing from God? And so it is in this light that I wanted to thank God for adding another year to your life. Thank you for being a precious and ever good and sweet friend to each and every one of us, Emily. You have many, many more birthdays to come.
Jonah.
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday to you. Wish ko lang is always good health. Sana huwag ka nang may stress, lalo na sa ating PR every night. Salamat, Mami, sa lahat ng payo mo sa amin, lalong-lalo na sa akin. Pag may problema, nandiyan ka lang lagi na nagkagabay sa amin. Lahat ng advice, maraming salamat sa iyo, Mami. Mag-ingat ka palagi and be strong always, Mami, sa lahat ng pagsubok sa iyo. Kahit anong mga pagsubok, alam kong kayang-kaya mo yan, Mami. We love you, Mami. Mua, mua, mua.
Garfield.
Hello po, Captain Emily Espanyol Derry. Happy birthday po. Sana po ay bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng maraming birthday pa na darating sa buhay nyo. Alam ko na nasa yun na po ang lahat. Napaka-bless nyo po. Sana lang po ay tuloy-tuloy pa po yung blessing na ibibigay ni Lord sa inyo. At ingatan nyo po palagi ang sarili nyo. And thank you so much po sa lahat-lahat. And pasensya na po kayo kung hindi ako masyadong pumapasok muna sa PR. Hope someday na maibalik ko yung dating napaka-active ko po. Yun lang po. Salamat po and enjoy your birthday. And once again, God bless you po. Love you.
Chocolates.
Hello, happy birthday, Miss Captain Emily. I wish you happiness in life. May your birthday be as fabulous as you are, and may your love, friendship, and as a mother of Star Maker family that you have shared for us come back to you in abundance of joy. Good health always, and happy birthday, Miss Captain Emily. Bye. Enjoy your day.
Sione.
Hi, Ate Emily. Happy birthday. Another year has come and it's your birthday again. Ang bilis ng araw. I wish nothing but the best. Longevity and happiness for you. At pasensya na po kayo kasi hindi na talaga ako active sa Star Maker. Hindi nakagaya nung na marami akong time, pero so far so good. Busy na talaga. Ang late ko nang natatapos sa trabaho, kaya pag tapos ng trabaho pagod na ako. Kaya minsan din talaga ako nakakapunta sa Star Maker. Hope you understand, and sana wish ko na marami pa kayong birthday na darating. Enjoy life and stay young, stay healthy, stay fit. Yun lang. Happy birthday po, ate. God bless and more blessings to come.
Scarina.
Hi po, Mami. Happy blessed birthday po. Ingat po lagi, especially po sa pagdadrive. Tapos, stay healthy po lagi since rich ka na po naman. Sana lahat maging rich. Tarot. Ingat po lagi, Mami. And once again po, happy birthday from your daughter, Lulubog Lilitaw.
Jenica.
Hi po, Mami. Happy birthday po sa inyo, Mami. How old are you, Mami? Again, I wish you, Mami, sana po marami ka pang candles na blow in your life, Mami. And God bless always. And take care yourself always. And ingat ka lagi, Mami, sa pagdadrive mo. Hindi man kami laging sa PR kung minsan at hindi nagaano sa mga mga salita doon. Pero andun pa rin ako, Mami, nakikinig sa'yo. Kaya doon urat-urat yung Mami. Happy birthday again, Mami.
Emmy.
Happy birthday, Kap. More years to celebrate. Thank you po, Kap, sa pagtanggap niyo po sa akin dito sa CFF Fam. Thank you po sa kabaitan niyo po sa amin, and more years to celebrate and more candles to blow. Happy birthday, and God bless you, and I love you, Kap. Happy birthday again. Thank you.
Mel Zagali.
Hi, Captain Emily. This is your most awaited day. This is your day. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. My wish for you on your birthday is your good health, more blessing to come in your life, and I thank you for being a good captain, and not just a good captain, a good mother of CFF family. Thank you, my idol. You're my idol, Captain Emily. Happy birthday.
Marissa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Captain Emily. Happy birthday, Cap Emily. More blessings to come.
Anity.
Madam, happy birthday po. Wish po good health. More birthdays to come pa. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat ng family. Enjoy your day. Miss you guys. Love you, Madam.
Baby Putri.
Hi, Mami! Happy birthday! So, sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to. I wish you all happiness in life, more blessings to come, have a long life and good health as well. And huwag ka sanang magbabago kung paano ka namin nakilala. And sorry kung masaway kami minsan. But I know you love us. And thank you so much for being a good captain. Not only a good captain, but also like as a second mom to us. And sana i-enjoy mo yung araw na to ngayon. And you deserve a lot of love, happiness in life as well. I know in time, maybe not now, whatever things that makes you confused or sometimes make you feel sad, lahat yun mawawala pagdating ng tamang panahon. And when you are feeling down or kapag malungkot ka, just message us or ako, message mo ako. Makikinig ako, Mami, sa mga kwento mo. Tawagan mo lang ako. Yun lang, Mami. And I love you. I love you so much. And happy birthday again. Happy birthday. Love you, Mami.
Miss Babes.
Hello, Cap. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, my dear Captain Emily. Happy birthday, Cap. Wish you all love, joy, and peace. Not today, but for always. Stay healthy. More birthdays to come, and may the Lord God guide you always, wherever you go and whatever you do.
Once again, happy birthday. This is Miss Babe, ang admin mo, pasaway.
Cram cute.
Hi Mami, happy birthday. Wish you more birthday to come. Maraming salamat Mami sa lahat ng mga taong natulungan niyo po at saka sa mga taong sunuportahan niyo po sa CFF Farm. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At saka kaya po maraming nagmamahal po sa inyo. Sana po humaba pa po ang buhay niyo Mami. Miss you po Mami. God bless po.
Baby Toshi. With special greetings from MRG Captain Rolly.
Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. I would like to greet my Komari Emily, the captain of CFF, cousin, friends, and family. May ang aking kumaring napakabait, napakasipag, at napaka-maunawain, at very generous. So, sana umaba pa ang mga buhay natin. Good luck, good health, God bless us always. Na sana'y iwas tayo sa ating mga karamdaman at lahat ng mga naka-stress. Iwasan na lang natin para tuloy-tuloy ang ating ligaya dito sa Star Maker. Kung hindi mo Star Maker sa tunay na buhay, tayo magmahalan, magbigayan at iwasan ang mga nakaka-stress. So this is only 1 minute video, but I want to greet once again a happy birthday to my kumare, kaibigan, at co-singer, kung musician dito sa Hong Kong. Lahat-lahat na sabi niya nga, may have many more birthdays to come at sana'y humaba pa ang ating mga buhay once again. Bye-bye and good luck.
Jeltrid.
Hi, Mami Emily. Happiest birthday, Mami Emily. I miss you so much. And sa lahat po ng CFF family, enjoy po kayo sa birthday celebration ngayon ni Mami Emily. And I wish good health to Mami Emily, peaceful mind, happy family. And ayan, sana magkita tayo soon, Mami Emily. And sa lahat po ng members sa CFF, ingatan niyo po si Mami Emily, support niyo always sa lagi sa mga events niya. And yan, excited ako sa mga papansit at sa mga handa niyo for this birthday celebration. And thank you again for inviting me to do a shout out to Babe Maria. Thank you Babe, at sa lahat po ng members dyan. Enjoy this day and happiest birthday, Mami Emily. I love you. Mwah.
Thomas Peter Derry.
Hey Ma, happy birthday. Hope you're having a very wonderful birthday today. And you know, I'm gonna make sure that the dinner is very special to you, as well as I hope that you loved your flowers for Mother's Day from me, Cleveland, and Princess. And I know that I and Princess, we love you dearly and very much. I love you, Mom. And I hope you're having a wonderful time, especially on this wonderful birthday of yours. So happy birthday, and I hope it's a very fun day. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Captain Emily. We love you.
Thank you for watching.
Cheers and enjoy your day.